What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video! If you don't know me, my name is Steven, or Stevie BB, as my YouTube name is. This is my 2011 Subaru WRX. She's looking pretty nice right now, especially since we put on the new wheels in the last video. If you check that out. If you didn't, go watch it right now. So, I've been going for sort of a black and white theme on my car. And as you can tell, the front right here is sort of missing something. Can you guess it? You probably can from the title of this video. If not, and you're stupid like me, we are changing out these new badges today because it's just a lot of black on the car, and you know, this chrome is kind of annoying me. So we have some new badges that came all the way from America, and I live in Australia. So knowing that, I had to wait a very long time. So with me right here, in this little parcel, yoink! We have my little badges. Here they are. We have the gloss black outline with the white WRX writing, so you can actually see that writing now because it's a little bit hard with that chrome. But yeah, these are gonna look sick. I hope it's gonna be a nice, easy install. And with me today, I've got my trusty little rolling chair so I can, you know, oh, sorry mate. I have to go from angle to angle. You know what I mean? Who needs an expensive one when you get a little office chair? Okay, I'm getting dizzy. That's not good, I feel sick. Now I've got a handy little hair dryer because I'm gonna heat up the area a little bit to try and get that adhesive to come off, because I've heard it's kind of a little bitch to get out. So hopefully this does the job. Hopefully I don't melt my paint. And I just hope this goes well, because I am not in the mood for shit to go wrong right now. So firstly, I heard opening the door is good so you can get in between the back of the badge. So, oh look at that, we've got tons of room. Gives us the opportunity to pry this off. And yeah, let's just get straight into it. Just gave it a little clean. And yeah, let's hope this goes well. There we go. That was fairly easy actually. See, now the fun part is trying to get all of this adhesive off so we can chuck on the new one. Hopefully this isn't too hard to get off. Okay guys, we're slowly peeling away all this. Make sure to get off as much as you possibly can before chucking on your new ones. What's up guys, I'm back. An hour later. Yeah, I didn't know it was gonna take that long because I didn't have some tools that I needed, like some dissolving spray and a proper scraper. So I ended up using a little measuring triangle that worked. I broke off one edge, but the rest has been working, and I used some methylated spirits, some rubbing alcohol, and look how amazing that's turned out. Before I was struggling to get it off, but that is like perfect, all ready to go. So I think it's time we grab the new badge and slap her on the car. Alright, so here we have the stock badge versus the new one. Very nice difference, as I'm going for a nice black and white contrast on my car. There's the difference. Some of you actually probably like the chrome more, but I really like these new ones. You can definitely see the WRX writing a lot more. So that's pretty much how it's gonna look. I'm just gonna heat the back of this, get it nice and warm, then I'll peel this off and give that a good heating as well, so it gets a good bond. Alright guys, I've held it on there for a long time, but how much better does that look on my car? Dude, that looks so much better. If you guys would like the link to these badges, I will link them in the description below. So go and check those out if you want to cop some, but wow. That just really complements the whole black and white contrast I'm going for. And you can finally see the WRX writing now, which is awesome. There's actually pretty good fitment on it as well. Just make sure to hold it down for a long time, as I just did. But yeah, that's looking really good. And I'm super happy with how that's turned out. So I'm gonna do the next one. Not gonna film it though, because you guys just watched me do that one. So I'll see you guys when they're both done. Peace. Man, look at this mess. Let me just shut this door. We are done the driver's side. So both badges are now fully stuck on there. There's no lift, which is awesome. So it doesn't look tacky or anything. Hopefully it stays like that and it doesn't end up lifting. If it does, I'll just grab some super glue. But that side is done. And this side is done. And I think it looks way better. Let me guys know in the comments if you guys like it as much as I do. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. That was probably a really quick one, so I'm sorry that wasn't that long. Hope you guys have been liking the Subi content. Let me know if you want to see more mod videos or videos hanging out with other people. But the car is slowly coming together. The wheels really brought it together. Now these side badges, I'm trying to get rid of as many stock things as I can on this car. There's a few more other mods I am looking to do, a few more cosmetic mods, and maybe then we can start getting into performance mods because I have some ideas for that. Yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. And while you're down there, hit the post notifications button, the little bell next to the subscribe button. Really helps me out, really motivates me to make videos for you guys. Sorry for not posting for a while. Love you guys. I'll try to post more. But anyways, that's me, Steve VB, out. I'll see you guys in another video. Peace!